Well, I said, hello, how do you do? And when she looked at me, I saw a smile through. She said, I got a million things on my mind, but I'm doing okay. So I said, that's strange, cause dear me too, except every single thing on my mind is you. Would you like to grab a bite to drink or something like that?
Hi guys, welcome back to Wonder Eats. Today we're at Moracea by Khao Lak Resort actually. So can't wait to show you around this resort for 3 days. Amazing, let's go. This is the entrance and this is the drop-off point to the reception. So we're in room 243, the Hibiscus, the Grand Hibiscus. We already checked in, luggage right there, because it's raining super heavy. I love this little corner here. Anyway, this is gonna be a quick look at the hotel room. Yeah, Moracea. Yeah, so beautiful, such a large room, super comfy, huge TV as well right there, coffee and tea here. Look at that bathtub. Ooh. Beautiful. The shower right here. And then the safe deposit box and 2 umbrellas, much needed because of the rain. Holy moly. So that's the tour of the room, Grand Hibiscus Suite. And then tomorrow I'm going to take you guys on the tour of the resort, Moracea. Morning! In Moracea Resort, and right now we're heading for breakfast. Yes, we have the omelette station, waffles, and we have the main area here. We even have a noodle soup station. Stir-fried chicken with chili and basil, tomato rice sauce, vegetarian, juices. So let's take a walk and have a look at the grounds of Moracea by Khao Lak Resort. From the map, it looks ginormous. There are 3 pools with a private beach area. So as you can see here, you have the Malila restaurant for breakfast, and we get 2 dinners or lunch afterwards. So that's cool. These units here are pretty far from the reception, so you probably definitely provide the buggy service. Room 510 to 511. Yeah, so these are the ones that have direct access to the pool. Isn't it beautiful? Just jump into the pool directly from your room. From there, this pathway leads you to the beach and to the other swimming pool. My goodness. Tranquil, nature-rich resort. Beautiful. This path leads us down to what I would consider the main pool, just right by the sea. Not sure if you guys can hear the waves crashing on the beach. Along the coastal path, you will reach the cafe. We're gonna have breakfast and dinner here, right over there. And this signage on the surfboards are cool. And that brings us to the third pool. So, for correction, there are actually 4 pools here. And here we are, the 4th pool. There's a jacuzzi in the middle. Nice. We follow the path here. Right on top is our unit. So yeah, definitely a great hotel, great resort in Khao Lak. So I'm gonna report back again on my third night, after my third night rather, and see how's the stay like here. And then we are checking out and we are going to Phuket for one last night before we head back to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Thank you. So for the free dinner set, we ordered 3 dishes from here, 1 appetizer, 1 main dish and 1 dessert. Rice make at the bottom. Final breakfast for the trip here in Khao Lak. We have been eating a lot, for sure. And the green curry here is amazing. So I'm glad they brought it back on our last breakfast. Clear skies finally today. Just finished breakfast. Very hearty breakfast, and we're heading back to the room, do a little bit of packing, rest a little bit, and then we got to check out. Decided to check out a little bit early because I want to make sure that we have a safe journey to Phuket without rushing, and then check into the hotel in Patong Beach. Anyway, the stay here has been amazing. The beds has been coffee, the service is amazing. The natural beauty of this resort, top notch. So if you guys are coming here, yeah, do check out the link, the description below for their official website. The only thing I regret during our 3-night stay here, 4 days, 3 nights, didn't go swimming, but it's been red flag during our entire stay, means it's too dangerous, and it's been raining, and when it's not raining, we're eating, so yeah, didn't enjoy even the 4 pools here, unfortunately. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Do give this video a like, do subscribe to the channel, and as it will help us a lot. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next videos, but in the meantime, happy travels, keep safe,